Well, hi guys, today we're going to make the most incredible tuna and pasta salad. It may seem simple or sound simple to you, but made properly it is breathtaking. To start with, I get a pan of boiling water. In I go with a couple of large handfuls of pasta, perhaps a little bit more, and follow the instructions on the packet, which does say to boil it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, I prepare the salad on this plate. Drain the pasta. Put the pasta into a mixing bowl. In with 1 tin of tuna chunks. Give that a good old mix. Then we can add a hefty amount of mayonnaise. And stir this well in. And a squirt of salad cream. And it's all ready to plate up. Well, there it is. Doesn't that look fantastic? Tuna and pasta salad. I've got all the bits and bobs, tomatoes and lettuce and everything. I should be growing those in the garden myself, but I've had to buy these. Let's have a quick taste, shall we? The taste of summer. I'm going to sit in the garden with my wife. I've made one for her too, and we're going to eat this together. So until the next time, don't forget to subscribe and leave any comments down below. Bye.